It's Friday, March 19th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Median sales prices for the Baltimore metro area have held steady month over month, but rose year over year 19.2% compared to last February 2020. Demand for homes in the Baltimore metro market rose 16% last month, an increase in buyer interest over the prior month, but down 13% from the year prior. Interesting to note that buyers had less interest in the lower priced single family homes, while the higher priced condos in single family homes reflected the greatest buyer interest. The majority of buyers searching for homes are looking mostly in 1/3 of the zip codes surrounding Baltimore City. Anne Arundel County reflected the highest level of demand, followed by parts of Prince George's County, such as Bowie and Upper Marlboro areas, remaining highly sought after areas. Carroll County condo prices shot up 58.9% for their best month in 10 years. Montgomery County townhomes reached a 10-year best median sales price of $400,000, and Gaithersburg units were selling at $410,000 median dollars. Montgomery County single-family homes declined 20.5% as Kensington sales fell 44.8%. Prince George's County marched in with tripled condo sales up 178% from last year, and demand in College Park around the University of Maryland campus was really attractive. Laurel weighed in with a rise in condo sales, second after the College Park area. The Eastern Shore market really is seeing buyer demand pushing up sales prices 22.1% from last year to a median sales price of $286,000. Caroline County again pulls out front with the sharpest incline in sales prices, up 43.1% to a median of $260,000, followed second by Talbot County, up 25.1% to $521,500. Calvert County saw a small increase in sales prices year over year to $350,000, up 1.8%, with the biggest buyer demand in Prince Frederick. Charles County bumped up 16.4% to a median sales price of $386,700, and Nanjemoy prices shot up 84.7% to $443,900. Prices in St. Mary's County rose 7% year over year to a median sales price of $315,000, as many outlying areas saw massive shifts in increased prices. One was up 516.7%, and more in populated areas such as Mechanicsville were highly attractive at a 17.5% increase in sales price. Sales prices continue to remain stable and or ticking up despite the fact that interest rates have increased since last month. Buyers are trying to get in under the wire before the next interest rate increase. If you have questions regarding your specific circumstance, give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. That's a wrap for Friday, March 19th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.